Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In today's video, we are going to learn about the states and their capital. Let's get started. The first state is Andhra Pradesh. The capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amaravati. Next, Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Next up we have Assam. The capital of the state Assam is Dispur. Next, Bihar. The capital of Bihar is Patna. The next state in our list is Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. The next state in our list is Goa. The capital of Goa is Panji. The next state is Gujarat. The capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Next up we have Haryana. The capital for the state Haryana is Chandigarh. The next state in our list is Himachal Pradesh. The capital of the state Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Next is Jharkhand. The capital of the state Jharkhand is Ranchi. Next is Karnataka. Its capital is Bangalore. The next state in our list is Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Tiruvananthapuram. The next state in our list is Madhya Pradesh. The capital of the state Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Next is the state of Maharashtra. Its capital is Mumbai. Next is Manipur. The capital of the state Manipur is Imphal. The next state in our list is Meghalaya. The capital of the state Meghalaya is Shillong. Next, Mizoram. The capital of the state of Mizoram is Aizawl. The next state in our list is Nagaland. Its capital is Kohima. Next is Odisha. The capital of the state of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. The next state in our list is Punjab. The capital of the state of Punjab is Chandigarh. The next state in our list is Rajasthan. The capital of the state Rajasthan is Jaipur. Next is Sikkim. The capital of Sikkim is Gangtok. The next state in our list is Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Next, Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Next, Tripura. The capital of the state Tripura is Agartala. The next state in our list is Uttar Pradesh. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Next, Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Last, West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata.